Okay, Mali here, the Fixed Link. Thank you for joining us on this week's Sunday's market preparation video. Well, in this week's video, I'm gonna go through a couple of pairs with you guys, show you what's on my radar for the next week, and we are going to start with the pound dollar pair, which is the cable. Mainly here on the cable, price has come to our psychological level, which is 3500s, 1.3500s, and as you see right now, price hit our support level right here. We have support here, we have another support right here, some type of structure right here, and as you go back in the past, we do have structure, we have resistance. Oh, look at that, have a look at that. We have a gap, psychological level, structure right here, major structure, and we have a gap right at where the market is sitting at right now. And as I go to my lower time frame, which is my 4-hour time frame, mainly this is a trading opportunity for both traders. As I said, why do I say that? Price has broken these significant price levels right here. For a trend continuation trader, you might be looking to hop on into this trade as soon as price, okay, when you put as I put my retracement right here, as soon as price retraces back into our structure level, which is somewhere right here, and you will take a shorting opportunity in anticipation of a rally down right here. Okay, and for a counter trend trader, you will be looking to buy this market up in anticipation of a relief back down to this level of structure, probably at 3700s to 3789s. Okay, so I'm gonna have a ABCD pattern. When I copy and paste that here, you can see right now our equal leg terminates where the market is currently sitting at right now. Okay, as you pay closer attention, you will see we have a hammer candle, which is right here, and we have a bullish divergence on our RSI. So as I go down to my lower time frame for entry techniques, you would notice that price has been channeling down right to this point, and as price has hit these levels of structure, we became oversold at 19.7, and as price became oversold, we have a little bit of relief right now. Okay, we have a relief, so I'll be taking a buying opportunity in anticipation of a double bottom, higher close. Then my position would look something like this. Okay, I would have to go 20 pips below this low, which would lead me to a 64 pip stop, and first targets would come over right here, which would lead me to having a potential 110 pip reward on this one. If you wish to take extended targets, I would take extended targets right over right here, which would lead me to have a potential of 161 pip total of reward on this one. Okay, another pair that I'll be looking at is the dollar Swiss. Well, when we go back to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, the price has been moving up in a smooth sail, meaning that there was much momentum in bias. Soon as price broke these levels of structure, I already drawn out my my tools right here. You see I have an ABCD pattern terminating exactly where at our resistance levels right there, and as you would see, price is at a psychological level, which is a dollar flat. And as we take a closer look, price gave us an exhaustion candle right now. Okay, signaling a particular relief in the market. So looking at our RSI, price is well over our overbought state for quite a while now, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row while being overbought. Okay, so as we go to the lower time frame, as price has been going up, okay, we begin to channel upwards right now. Okay, let me delete this. As we began to channel upwards, we began to make a double top pattern, which is right there. Excuse me, guys. Right, do you see that? Price topped out. After topping out, we have a retest and mini spikes over right there. So if you wish to take this position, I'll be looking for a lower low, lower close, lower than this particular low right here, and I'll be taking a position in anticipation of, okay, in anticipation of a relief back down to this structure level, which would give me a 53 pip reward on this one, and extensions would come back to this level, which would give me a total of 113 pips worth of reward on this one. My risk, I will take a risk of 24 pips higher than this one, which would give me a 50 pip risk on this one. Probably go higher than this one, so I would have to take a 57 pips risk on this one in anticipation of a relief in the market back down to this level, so we can catch a 113 pip worth of reward on this one. Okay, already price has given us a bearish divergence on its way up there. You see, we have a bearish divergence. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, guys, hit that like button below. Subscribe to our channel if you're new to this channel, and don't forget to share with as many people as you can. So for me, Mandla here at FX Link, I'll see you on the next trade. Goodbye.